To get started, you want to arrange your cords in colour order on the board. So the first 4 will all be the same colour, then you'll have a contrast colour as your 5th chord, and then your 6th and last chord will be the same colour as the first 4. And this is a 2-row repeat pattern. So to begin the pattern, I'm going to put the cords on the outside out of the way, and then I'm going to take the 2 cords that are left in the centre, and I'll clip these to the bottom of the board. And then I'm going to take the 2 cords on either side of these, and I'm going to do 1 square knot. So I'm going to go over with this cord, then over here, and then under and through. And then to complete the square knot, I want to go under with this cord, and then under with this cord, and then pull through. So for the second row, I want to take all my cords and split them into 2 sections, and then putting 1 section out of the way, I just want to work with the other section. So I want to divide these into 3, and then take the cord that is now in the centre, clip this to the bottom of the board, and then do a square knot with the other 2 cords. So again, just going over, over and through, and then under, under and through. And then I can put these to one side and do the same thing with the other 3 cords. So again, just doing a square knot over the cord in the centre. And that completes your second row. So then you want to return to what you did in row 1 and keep repeating these all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, you want to finish on a row 2, because I think that makes it a little bit neater at the end. And then you can clip all 4 of your centre cords to the bottom of the board, and I'm going to do a couple of square knots just to fasten everything into place. And you want to do this at both sides, and then you can remove the bracelet from the board. So next you want to trim and seal your excess. So I'm going to start with the 2 outside cords. I'm going to trim like that, and then I'm going to seal with a lighter, but you can use glue if you prefer. And then next I want to keep 2 of the cords for tying on at the end, and then the other 2 can be trimmed and sealed. And next I'm going to take the cords that I'm left with, I'm going to be tying on with at the end, and I'm going to pull a few inches and then just tie a knot at the end. And then once you've done that, again, you can trim and seal. And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So at each end you've got a tie on, so you can tie your bracelet on, and you can also wear it the other way around if you want a slightly different pattern to show up. And that is your completed bracelet.